Listo, profe, ya está grabando.
Okay. Okay, good evening. This is the last exam for you, Mr. Andres. I want to say hello and welcome to this final activity for this first level of English at the University Francisco de Paula Santander. Today is November the 25th, and we are going to start this meeting talking about you. Introduce yourself, Mr. Andres. Hello, good evening.
Hi, my name is Andre Felipe. I am from La Playa, Colombia. I live in Silguar, La Esmeralda. I am 21 years old. My birthday is on September 21st. I am single. I don't have children. My sibling are Laurie. She is 17 years old, and David is 19 years old. My father is a farmer. He is 53 years old, and my mother is housewife.
Housewife.
Housewife. She's 39 years old. I am a student. I don't work at the moment. My phone number is 320 312 83.
83. Okay. Okay, tell me about you. What do you do in your free time, your spare time?
No le entiendo, bro.
What do you do in your spare time? La siguiente pregunta. Spare time, your free time, or your hobbies.
My hobbies are play soccer and read.
Read or read?
Read.
Reading?
Yeah.
Reading. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. And what's your favorite music? What's your favorite food?
My favorite music is vallenato music. Mi favorite food is arepa with cheese.
Oh, caña. Aquí en la playa, en Ocaña, the same, no?
Yeah.
Arepa with cheese, okay. And your favorite music? I mean, movie?
My favorite singer is Jorge Oñate.
Singer. Okay.
Yeah.
What is your favorite day of the week? Monday, Tuesday, or Sunday?
My favorite day in week is Saturday because I can visit my parents and the farmer.
Okay, you visit your family, your parents. Okay, very good. And tell me, what is the most beautiful place for you in Colombia? ¿La playa o los estoraques? Most beautiful place?
Yes, my favorite place is la playa, los estoraques.
Okay.
I like for it colonial look de la playa.
Very nice. You need a picture of the playa ahí. Necesito una foto de la playa para demostrar que es lo más linda que hay. One of the most beautiful municipalities in norte de Santander, ¿no?
Yes.
La playa. Okay. Okay, very good. And tell me, how do you consider good at? Are you good at what?
I consider myself good in playing soccer and math.
What question about English? Hi, why do you study English?
Um
Why do you study English, Andres?
I
Why
study
are you studying English at the moment?
I study English because it's one to learn the language international communication or trade in finance.
Exactly. It's very important for learning. It's very important to learn how to speak English or understand, read, and everything in this amazing language, which I defend as well as my my weapon. You know, speak another language is another job you have, another work you're going to realize to do. You know? Okay, so welcome. Last question is a sentence, una frase célebre del Padre Nuestro, una frase cualquiera que te haya gustado y que la sepas de memoria.
Pues no, del Padre Nuestro no, profe, pero pues tengo como un dicho que
¿Qué dice el
dice,
dicho?
do not live for tomorrow what you can do today.
Never put off until tomorrow what you can do today, ¿no? Never put off until tomorrow what you can do today.
Yeah.
Is in other words? Con otras palabras, ¿lo dijiste?
Bueno,
No,
pues,
left to tomorrow. Bueno, that's in your translation, maybe lo hice por traducción o yo estaba así.
pues busqué la traducción. Sí.
Sí, entonces la traducción en inglés se oye mejor así, como te lo voy a decir. Never put off until tomorrow what you can do today. Yes?
Entonces sería
Okay.
never, así never de nunca.
Sí, de nunca, como un no, es un never, un no dejes, un nunca dejes para mañana. Never put off. Sospechar es put off, ¿no? Un verbo frasal, put off.
Puto.
Y until, que es hasta, until o till, tomorrow. Y lo que tú puedes hacer hoy es what you can do today, ¿no? Lo que podemos hacer hoy, what we can do today. Hoy que estamos vivos, podemos hacer eso, podemos hacer cualquier cosa mientras tengamos alientos. Okay, very good. Andres, congratulations. Have a good night and happy new weekend. And hope you pass this first level of English. And congratulations. Welcome for second level. Bye-bye, Andres.
Listo. Good morning, teacher.
Okay, good night. Have a good night.
Good night.
Sí, porque está muy temprano para
Sí,
está
sí.
muy tarde para morning. Ok, Andrés, vamos a detener la grabación. Stop record.